Welcome to SoftSpot Review. Today, we talk about SEO Smarts Reviews. SEO Smarts Reviews is a game-changing cloud technology that makes SEO and traffic generation easy and guarantees results. With SEO Smarts Reviews, you can launch your own SEO and SEO business today and start generating unlimited targeted traffic for free. This innovative tool uses cutting-edge SEO tech to trick AI chatbots into sending you traffic 24/7. And its commercial license allows you to start your own SEO, traffic, and SEO marketing agency. SEO Smarts Reviews takes care of all your online headaches in just 3 simple steps. Log into the cloud software, automate any of the 20 different SEO, SEO, and traffic services, and enjoy free, passive SEO traffic to your sites and thousands in sales from your services. SEO Smarts Reviews is not just another SEO tool. It's a comprehensive solution that includes 20 unique features to get you 1 rankings. With SEO Smarts Reviews, you can create and sell your services today, including website auditor, social stats spy tool, visitor analytics, keyword research tool, and more. This tool is designed to be user-friendly, and its automated features make it easy to use, even for newbies. SEO Smarts Reviews is the perfect solution for anyone looking to get started with SEO, as it provides a complete experience that will help you get started and start selling the same day. The results are in. SEO Smarts Reviews will get you #1 rankings. This tool is not just for SEO experts. It's for anyone who wants to get started with SEO and start generating passive income. With SEO Smarts Reviews, you can dominate your competition and increase your conversions. This tool provides a way to create unlimited unique content, find the hottest keywords, and generate the best SEO reports that will crush your competitors. SEO Smarts Reviews is the best SEO software available, and it's also the most affordable solution. SEO Smarts Reviews is a revolutionary new software that will allow you to triple your business with just a few clicks. This tool is designed to be used by anyone, regardless of their niche or experience level. With SEO Smarts Reviews, you can get access to a full web platform that lets you sell DIY SEO services, 20 unique features to get #1 rankings, commercial license, and more. The total value of SEO Smarts Reviews is $4,070. But for a limited time, you can get it for an extremely low price. Don't procrastinate. Take action now and get your copy of SEO Smarts Reviews. Thank you. Support us.